Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I published there are about 260 videos from my Notemaster channel. Also related 150 about shorts videos from this channel. Yesterday I showed you how to make a case of a Rambo knife. Such videos will be very important for you during wild exercises and going to the jungles for hunting. Well, guys, today I am going to tell you a very important knot. This knot we call the jug knot. These knots are very useful for us to carry any cylinder object from bottom to top and to lower it from to top to bottom. We can tie this knot in emergency situation and it is very suitable not us. Let's see how to tie this knot. We first find this type of rope. Here it is folded like this. Then my right hand comes bottom to top. Then keep like this. Then did you see this bend? This bend up. Then my behind rope, did you see? Behind rope comes out. Finally, I got like this jug knot. This jug knot is very important. I told you before, these knots are very useful for us to carry any cylinder object from bottom to up. I will do it again. Here it is folded like this. Then my right hand comes bottom to top and bend. Did you see this bend? And this bend comes bottom to up. Finally, I took like this jug knot. Let's see what happened after that. I took like this cylinder object, then adjust this jug knot and tight. Not to release this knot. Finally, we can hang like this cylinder object, bottom to top and top to bottom. easy way for you. Never forget, watch like this notes. Also very important you for day by day exercises and daily life. I request you not to share, comment, subscribe this video. Thank you watching my video. Have a good day.